In this tutorial, we update the ELOC using the SD card. Before we start the update, we should check the firmware version in the app. In my case, the ELOC runs firmware version 1.2, which you can find in the bottom of the status page. You can always find the newest firmware on wildlifebug.com under Downloads. The one on the top should be the newest release. It comes as a zip file, which you need to unpack first. So right-click and extract all. Now we have a new folder. Inside that folder is the new firmware. It must be named elocupdate.bin. Copy this file into the clipboard with Ctrl+C. Now insert the SD card to the computer and open it. These two files need to be created. If there isn't an ELOC folder already, create one. Inside the ELOC folder, create another folder named Update. And inside that update folder, paste elocupdate.bin file, which we copied earlier into the clipboard. The ELOC will only perform the update if there's a text file named doupdate.txt in the ELOC folder. Create this file by right-clicking into the ELOC folder, selecting New, then Text Document, and name it doupdate.txt. Now the SD card is ready for the firmware update. Remove the SD card from the computer, put it into the ELOC and turn it on or restart it. The ELOC will boot up with the alternating LEDs and look for an update file. If the LEDs flash together quickly, the update is in progress. Do not turn off the ELOC during this process. Once the update is complete, the ELOC will delete the doupdate.txt file and reboot, which you can also see on the alternating LEDs. Without the txt file, the ELOC will boot normally and we can connect to it. Let's check if the update worked. Connect with the app. Scroll down. And yes, the new firmware version is visible. And the ELOC is ready to be used. To update multiple ELOC devices without recreating the doupdate text file each time, make the file read-only. Open the SD card and find the doupdate.txt. Right-click, Properties, and then read-only. That way, the ELOC is not able to delete the file after the update. Instead, the ELOC will do an update every time it reboots. So it's advised to remove the SD card after the first update. Wait till the quick flashes stop. And once the alternating LEDs start, which means it's rebooting, turn the ELOC off. Insert another SD card and the ELOC is ready for the field. It's a good idea to mark this card, so you won't mix it up with the other SD cards.